a crackhead. He had a live. He been having lives every night. Literally, he made a meme of me looking like a ET or something like that, with a matted wig on, with a rag pipe in one hand, a lighter in the other hand. It's so crazy because just before Friends with Attitude turned herself in, she had the whole live spreading lies about me, saying that I was a crackhead. Going off what this man right here told her, which was a fucking lie. She don't know me, just like I don't know her. But she still held alive, play recordings, and proceeded to call me crackheads throughout her life. So yeah, okay. And this is the same man that's getting me swatted because I, played the video.
I'll let you guys comment it out for a second. Comments are back on. Let me tell you, this is going to be a messy, messy, messy day. Maybe even into the night. Maybe even into the morning. Because I'm putting everybody out there for Regina. I'm putting everybody out there for everybody who did not want to spend the last 10 days having a conversation that just wanted to keep going lower and lower and lower. The conversation sounds about fucking nice right now, doesn't it? But I'm going to get back on Google Maps. I figured I'd let everybody know. If anybody finds anything, go right on ahead. Shoot me a DM anywhere you got me. Even TikTok, it doesn't matter. I'll be back later with another update. One of these updates, by the way, is going to be all of her information. I will dox myself on live in front of everybody so we can all.
So right here, right now, it's 2.4K people in here, bitch. I'm still waiting on you to dox me. I'm still waiting. Stand on motherfucking business and do what the fuck you said you was gonna do. You've been threatening me for the last 3 months, telling me you gonna dox me, and then for you to actually put the shit on your fucking backdrop and threaten to get me swatted, and I got a fucking child. Not even that, bitch. Just my fucking privacy. I don't think you get a pass for doing that fuck ass shit. He the same person. He has a warrant after his arrest because he harasses people. He's a thief. He's his videos all over where he robs stores. There's several women on his app that has protective orders against him. If you do the opposite of what he wants you to do, you will be targeted. I didn't let him in my panel one day, so this is how this all started. Anybody that aligns with me has been doxxed. He has called one girl, he called her sister on there. He called the other girl probation officer. He doxed the other girl mother, called her probation officer, so on and so forth. If it's a continuing thing with him, his name is Florida Man. Again, Florida Man. He sits with FWA. And it's so crazy that, again, she wants people to rally with her, and she's actually supporting what he's doing. She said on her live last night and literally called out cities and states of the women that I was in the panel with, actively getting information on live in 4K.
User, if she is using her supporters as to weaponize the situation.
Correct.
Her bond could be revoked. I just want to let you know that.
I know
the lady.
So if you're saying that they only let you out because you're using this for work, you're not using this for work. You're literally using it to harass and hurt people now. So unfortunately, if they did decide that they want to take this information, it's not like, oh, I didn't know. Oh, no, the man made it clear in your panel that he was going to dox a black mother because she played the audio that your daughter chose to put out, and they reporting you. They're reporting her. So username, yeah, and they're reporting her. They're reporting her. They're reporting her. They are reporting her. I have no remorse for nothing that's going to happen to that creator. None. Y'all going to stop fucking over people and doing people wrong and think there's no consequence. And then to be boisterous about it, telling people to fuck around and find out. Y'all, yeah. Don't ask me to have remorse for nothing that's happening. And that's going to happen. I don't. I'm telling you right now. Because if you can put another mother in harm's way, because the talking point is, I did this because I don't play about my kids. But yet you're putting this woman's child in harm's way by wanting her to be swatted, though. And her to be harassed though. Supporters who support this creator, I need y'all to hear what the fuck y'all are saying is okay. It's okay for her to protect children that are hers, but it's fuck everybody else's. As a matter of fact, you're pretty much sending a dog whistle. Like, yeah, go after anybody that is talking about the situation, because that's all she fucking did. She got information that was put out public to the world, Craig, according to your daughter. She wanted the world to hear it. According to your child, she wanted everybody to hear it. So Unknown made it known, no pun intended, and she deserves to be harassed for that. Her child deserves to be harassed for that. Y'all, the supporters, are condoning this. That's what y'all putting up the money for? That's what y'all supporting? Because guess what? She ain't the only one that's a mother over here. We mothers too. When the story first hit the app, we was understanding. You're protecting your child. We get it. It's not our fucking fault that the truth came out. You want people to stand with you, sure, but stand in the right. You would have got a different reaction had you came on this motherfucker and said, y'all, I done fucked up. My kid reached out to me, told me some shit was going on. I overreacted. I'm about to do some hard time. I need y'all help. That was not the demeanor here. It was, I don't play about my kids. I don't play about the ones that I love. Fuck around and find out. What type of fucking, and then you wonder why your kid act the way she do. And I can speak on because she grown. I'm not speaking about adolescents that can grow and learn and do. She's 26. Creator Junior. Just like the mother. Period. Hood Rat Junior. Period. You wasn't thinking about them fucking kids, so I don't want to hear it. Because y'all ain't thinking about unknowns. If it's fuck unknowns, it's fuck yours. If it's every man for himself, let it be that. You don't get the right to come on here and ask motherfuckers for help and then want to send somebody to hurt another mother, though. Take that to the fucking DA office. Because that's the truth. The truth, you fucked up. Got it. But instead of you standing in your fuck up, you want to put harm on somebody else. How dare you? Don't say shit to me. Don't say, oh, but Bella my ass. Motherfucker, I'm a mom too. I done fucked up too. Faced all my wrong decisions. And now I'm here. Get to see my son go to homecoming. Live a great life. Finally got it together. And now we get to see the blossom. We get to see the great things. But God damn it, we ain't struggled. God damn it, we ain't had hardships too. Bitch, I ain't out here putting hollow tips in motherfuckers. I don't know anybody that's a mother that has not faced hardship, because that's not what the fuck I'm saying. I'm telling you, I've had my own problems. But God damn it, if I'm gonna get on the internet, brag, boast, put down, talk down, I'll be damned if I'm gonna do any of that. You a fool. The people around you don't like you. What's up, Patty?
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Bella, I like what you said. You had a lot of truths in there, a lot of stuff that probably people didn't want to hear, but it is what it is. I just got a couple questions for you, and I want your opinion. So the first question is, in the beginning, it seemed like a lot of people were supporting FWA because, number one, they didn't know all of the details in the very beginning. It was just that she was a mom protecting her child. Do you think that the fact that she has particular panelists over there that show a disdain for black people, that attack black people, do you think that is overshadowing what she really has going on? So if people are saying now we're not supporting you, we don't like you, that it's because of the people that are her supporters, not necessarily the situation.
That is one of the reasons I would like to elaborate on just that one part. It was very clear. It was said, listen, right now is not the time to focus on that panel. You got bigger shit going on. We know who told her that. She dismissed that creator, that entrepreneur to be exact. She disregarded her, but she was told, hey, you worried about the wrong shit. You shouldn't be worrying about what's going on with your panelists when you're facing a hard situation. So that was addressed. What is your next question?
Now, you said that the previous creator that was just reported that she has been targeted because she played the recording. Why was she the only one that has been targeted? Because I've heard that same recording played on multiple other panels. Was there a particular reason why that creator that replayed it has been singled out?
Thank you for asking that question. That creator is the one who brought the information from Facebook here. We didn't know about that Facebook post that the daughter put out that she wanted the world to see. Unknown brought it to us. So they felt like we wouldn't know about it had she not brought it to us.
But in actuality, we wouldn't know about it if the daughter hadn't posted it. But I guess that's neither here nor there. So do you think that, okay, you said the fuck around and find out statement.
Mm-hmm.
Was that made to only that particular content creator?
Absolutely not. It was a broad statement. Y'all was in that sentence.
Okay. Do you think that is going to be considered as a threat? Considering
Yes.
what charges she already has, do you think that's going to be considered a threat?
Yes, it is, because now we have probable cause that you will actually do what you claim you will do.
Bella,
We have yes.
I think she also had said in one of her lives that she was going to come after Laugh as well.
Why is she at everybody else than she is at the daughter that refuses to remove it? She's mad at everybody on TikTok, but not mad at the daughter who refuses to remove the video? It's
Yes,
not making sense.
yes,
I'm
Rob.
still questioning her supporters that do not mind other mothers' homes being doxxed and put in harm's way. I'm questioning the supporters. Why are y'all sitting back like this is okay for her to send out a whistle and do to other people? None of us did this to her. Keep in mind. Let's keep in mind. We did not say we were going to send the SWAT team to her. We didn't say we was going to do any of this shit that we sat and heard in that audio, though. Why are y'all not questioning why she felt like it was okay for that man to sit in her panel and say he's going to come after a black mother for pressing play on the video that her daughter wanted the world to see? I'm going to keep highlighting. She wanted us to know. The creator daughter wanted us to know what was going on. Why do anybody deserve to be doxxed for that? That is a genuine question that needs answers. What was your other question, Petty?
Do you think that there is anything that she can do at this point to kind of turn this back around to maybe redeem, not necessarily the actual act that she did, but as far as the people over here, the support she had and does not have now, do you think there's anything that she can do to redeem herself to the TikTok world?
Reprogram the way she think. Her mind is the fucking problem. The way she think is the problem. Let's start there. This right here, thank you, Dior, baby. I hope you're doing okay. She's her own worst enemy. She's the problem. She got to get out of her own way. We are not your enemy, lady. The people that genuinely give a fuck about you is concerned for you. Nosy didn't lie when she said that. The people that is sitting up under you, making you feel like you did nothing wrong, those the ones that you need to get the fuck away from. And then to want to brag and boast, oh, it's the men that's standing by me, the men. Motherfucker, you don't even respect the niggas. Because according to Creator Junior, she don't respect the men. We heard how she talked to him. So you wanna big up the men that's literally not willing to say your ass was wrong. But you want to talk down on the women who are mothers like you. Pause. We're moms too. But that shit that we hear on the audio, he a bitch ass nigga, I wish the fuck I would catch my son or daughter talking to their father like that. Any adult for that matter.
Bella, laugh is in the request.
Sure. Ooh.
I want to say something really quick, Bella. I think to answer Petty question, in addition to what you said, and laugh, go to hell, is I think a sense of remorse may be helpful if you present that. I'm not saying that it'll ultimately win a case or that it'll lessen the time, but it will show that, there is some type of concern there. But if you are online, this is not just applicable to her, right? If you say, I really regret what happened, I think that I could have handled it this way, that sense of remorse can sway the jurors, but that's neither here nor there. I also overheard a comment about this being, you know what? I'm gonna let laugh go because I'm finna take it a step further. Give me a second.
No, you good, laugh. Before you come off that mic, understand something. Every line of defense that she could have used, she stripped from her motherfucking self. She came on here like, yeah, I had to protect my kids, and if y'all try to play with them, y'all play with the people I love, that could be you next. Her whole demeanor, she fucked herself. So what's different from then and now? Are you genuinely remorseful now? Because we're telling you, hey, listen, that's what the court is going to look for, remorse. You go on that motherfucker like, yeah, I did what I did. My daughter, she called me in distress. I'll do it again. You're cooked. You're done. They're throwing the fucking book at you. You're considered a menace to society. They are not condoning anybody running around in the streets thinking it is okay to put hollow tips in somebody because they got pissed off. Somebody pissed my kid off. I have the right to put hollow tips in their back. Is that the logic we're going with now? If my daughter called me, my 10-year-old daughter called me and said, hey, mom, something going on, I have the right to send my in-laws over there to put hollow tips in the person back that she's calling. I'm asking, and I'm using these words because this is TikTok. Focus for those who are not my supporters, and you have a hard time understanding why I'm using a certain choice of words. Hollow tips is to protect the life. Focus. Don't get hung up on certain words.
Thank you for clearing that up, because I was like, bitch, for real?
I'm just saying, they know we can't say the other word. We can't say how Bryson be spelling it out, the B-U-L-L-E-T, blah, blah, blah. We can't say all of that. So I'm doing my best. But don't be dense. Don't act like you don't understand what I'm fucking saying. You cannot say, oh, my child called me in distress. That gave me the right to put anything in somebody's backside. You can't do it. Come on, man. Like, I ain't gonna hold. I'm aggravated because this is something that could have been avoided. But this hood rat mentality that y'all have, y'all seeing it catch up with somebody that y'all have been out to events with. Y'all sitting engaged with. Y'all seeing the consequence. That lady is not going to be sitting at home. She's doing time. Y'all can sit here and act stupid if you want to. She's going to do time. And no matter how much you kiss her ass and act like nothing happened, she's doing time. And you better hope that baby girl ain't gonna be sitting with her, because she incited this shit according to her own fucking words. I'm gonna need bail money. I'm about to tear your shit up. Was we watching an episode of Bad Girls Club? Ain't nobody getting no sleep around me because I ain't getting no sleep. What the fuck was going on? It's 3 in the morning. Typically, if you do not work the graveyard shift, typically people are sleeping during that time. You can't even get some fucking rest because all you ain't nobody getting no sleep. Granddad, he trying to watch whatever the fuck he watching. Can't. His house. Keep in mind, since we want to talk about it, it's his house. I'll be damned if I can't even get no motherfucking peace in my own home. You telling me? Oh, Charlie, boy. You telling me I can't even get no fucking rest in my own house? You gonna tell me what I have, what I don't? This is my house. This is my shit. And you talking to me? You talking to me like that? Mom, you gonna have to come get me cause he doing this, he doing that whole time, but you the aggressor, ma'am. You're agitating this situation, ma'am. What the fuck going on here? Fix what exactly? What we fixing, Petty? How do you come and fix that after you got on here, showed your ass, said, fuck y'all, pay me, hit the goal? Got on this motherfucker and, yo, like, I'm telling y'all, it like, you got on this motherfucker and said, listen, I just got out the county. Bitch, run me my money. Who you talking to? We ain't tell you to go down there and put nothing in that man back. Who are you talking to? I need my gifts. I need this. You need help. Mental. 302'd. Padded walls. You need something. Money ain't it. Money ain't fixing that. Ain't no way your counsel told you to get on this motherfucking app and say any of the shit that you said. I ain't buying it. I ain't buying what you selling. Petty, my apologies for my rant.
That's okay. I asked the question and you answered it. So that's cool. I just don't know if there's anything that she can do because we don't know how long that support is going to last, right?
We saw where it was going to be at in everybody else's space on their own lives.
Yeah.
In their own space. No. Ain't giving a damn. On to the next.
That's true, and that's the way the algorithm works.
And that's it.
Yeah, that's the way the algorithm work. But I just didn't know if you thought like right now if there was anything that she can do to kind of bring it back in, reel it back in, or anything like that. But You got some good viewpoints. You bring a lot of stuff up that, make you think a little bit.
Yeah, I
So
swear I promise you, I'm not trying to be petty, or in the words of her good panelist, an asshole. I'm just speaking the truth for what it is.
right.
If it makes me an asshole, baby, I'll take two.
Well, sometimes that's what it takes to tell the truth, and whether people accept it or not, it is what it is. The truth is the truth, and but it's going to be up to her whether she accepts it or not, whether she takes it into account for the next decisions that she makes. I see it's a lot of people in the panel saying she better cook her Sunday dinner today because tomorrow she might be gone. But that's going to be up to her. I know there's people that don't like her that have been sending things to the DA. So we don't know what they have, what they could be bringing forward tomorrow, whether her bond will be revoked, or anything like that. But I mean, all in all, I know you make the point of certain things should not be done because the other creator is a Black woman. She's a mom. Quite honestly, that goes across the board, whether we like somebody or not. If we supposed to be for Black women, for moms, she still got other kids that need to be taken care of as well. So I just pray the best for her, but we do also have to realize we have to take accountability for the actions that we take, and whatever happens, that's up to the court of law. But I wish everybody the best, and I'm gonna go ahead and drop down because I know you got other people wanting to come up. Thank you for answering my questions.
Absolutely. Thank you for coming up. And yeah, like I said, I don't want it to come off like we don't feel sorry for the people in the situation. Respectfully, I just feel sorry for the kids that's going, they parent going to be absent. But other than that, it's extremely hard to sympathize with someone. I cannot sympathize with someone who is literally, as we speak, putting another mother in harm's way for something she did. You're not going to say anything to me that's going to make me understand that one part. I'm still trying to process it right here, and it's just not like it's coming and then it's just a block. It's nothing there. I'm not receiving it. You want to convince me that it's okay for another Black mother to be doxxed, swatted, all this fuck shit happened to her because of what yours chose to do? Yeah, I ain't trying to hear that shit. I'm not.
Good morning, Bella.
What's up? I ain't gonna hold. Oh shit, that's right. You gonna have to come in on a different page. They're gonna take that one. You gonna have to come in on a different page. I know. Go ahead, girl. Laugh.
Good morning, Bella. So I don't really know how far y'all dug or what everybody has said, so I don't want, if I repeat something that somebody else said, I apologize.
Laugh. I hate to be the bearer of bad news in this one, but all right. So this one right here says God sympathizes with us over and over. That's right. God do. Last I checked, I'm not God. I'm not God.
But God also says you reap what you sow.
What we talking about here?
God also told us there was a
Yes,
such
you are
thing.
absolutely right. Yeah, but yeah, had that conversation with the Lord. This
Bella,
ain't that.
God also told us. God also told us that there was.
Fucking sense down there.
Bella, God also told us that there is a such thing as a self-inflicted wound. Okay, we did not go and search for this information. FWA came herself and threatened us.
Sorry, no, they got.